The S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. It is widely considered to be a barometer of the U.S. stock market and the economy as a whole. The S&P 500 has a long and rich history that dates back to the early 20th century. The S&P 500 was first introduced in 1923 by Standard & Poor's Corporation, a financial services company that is now a subsidiary of S&P Global. At the time, the index was designed to provide a benchmark for the performance of the U.S. stock market. The original index included just 90 stocks, but it was expanded to its current size of 500 stocks in 1957. Over the years, the S&P 500 has become one of the most widely followed and closely watched stock market indices in the world. It is used by investors, traders, and financial professionals to gauge the overall health of the U.S. stock market and to make investment decisions. The S&P 500 is also used as a benchmark for mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and other investment vehicles. Despite quite a few fluctuations, the S&P 500 has generally trended upward over the long term, reflecting the growth and prosperity of the U.S. economy. According to data from S&P Global, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of 9.8% since its inception in 1923. This performance has made the S&P 500 a popular investment choice for long-term investors who are seeking to grow their wealth over time. One of the key factors that has contributed to the success of the S&P 500 is the quality of the companies that are included in the index. The S&P 500 is designed to represent the largest and most established companies in the U.S. stock market, and these companies are typically leaders in their respective industries. As a result, the S&P 500 is considered to be a relatively safe and stable investment, as it is less likely to experience sharp declines in value compared to other stock market indices. Another factor that has helped to make the S&P 500 a popular investment choice is its accessibility. The S&P 500 is widely available through a variety of investment vehicles, including mutual funds, ETFs, and index funds. This makes it easy for investors of all levels of sophistication and experience to invest in the S&P 500 and to benefit from its performance. Despite its many advantages, the S&P 500 is not without its critics. Some people argue that the index is too heavily weighted towards large, established companies, and that it does not provide adequate exposure to smaller, more innovative companies. Others argue that the S&P 500 is too focused on the U.S. stock market, and that it does not provide adequate exposure to international markets. Despite these criticisms, the S&P 500 remains one of the most widely followed and respected stock market indices in the world. Its long and rich history, combined with its strong performance and accessibility, make it a popular choice for investors who are seeking to grow their wealth over time. Be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos and can follow along with our portfolio on eToro. If you would like to start investing on eToro, use the link below to get $50 after you deposit and invest your first $100.